Hi everyone. Today I am going to show you how to delete Facebook account permanently in 2024. So first, all you have to do is to simply launch your Facebook application and click these three lines at the top right corner. Now you have to click this gear icon or you can simply scroll down and look for settings and privacy. Now tap settings. Under settings, what you want to do next is to click this account center or meta account center. Tap this one. And then under this, you have to scroll down and look for personal details. So tap personal details here. And then what you want to do next is to click this account ownership and control. Once you tap this one, you have to select the second one here, the activation or deletion. So after you tap this, Facebook will ask your account. So select your account and then here you have two options, but of course you have to select the second one here that says delete account. If you want to deactivate your account, you have to choose the first one, but since our tutorial is all about deleting your account, so tap the second one and then click continue. Now, before you click continue, you can read the following here. So deleting your account will also delete your other additional Facebook profiles as well as pages. If you're okay with this, so click continue. Now you have to select a reason here why you want to delete your Facebook account, though this one is optional, but it's also okay if you select any of this here. So for me, I no longer find Facebook useful, and after that, click continue. So get more out of Facebook. Now all you have to do is to click continue. Now they will give you options if you want to really delete your account. If you want to keep Messenger deactivate instead, you can tap this one to deactivate your account. If you want to save posts in your future, go to activity log. If you want to download info, download your info now. If you want to transfer info, click this one. And once you're done, all you have to do is to click continue. So if you really want to delete your Facebook account, you don't need to select from any of this. You just have to proceed and click continue. And then here you have to enter your password. Once done, you can read the following here and then tap delete account. So once you delete your account, it will totally delete your Facebook, but you will be given 30 days to reactivate your account just in case you change your mind. But if no actions, it will totally delete your Facebook account. And that's it. I really hope that this video helped you. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next videos.